Good day everyone, it's Kelly and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and I buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, we observed a slight upward trend in Chinese steel prices. So, what brought about the good news? First of all, recent data indicates a significant increase in the new RMB loans in August, surpassing market expectations. This shows a warming signal in the economy following a series of government stimulus measures, which also points to a positive shift in market sentiment. Furthermore, although molten iron production remains high, steel mills don't possess a high level of iron ore and coking coal. As a result, their demand for restocking has supported the prices of these raw materials and steel prices. Consequently, there has been a slight bullish trend in the Chinese steel market this week. Now let's zoom in and examine the supply and demand data. According to MySteel, this week has seen a decrease in the apparent demand by 40,000 tons, a reduction in total steel inventory by nearly 400,000 tons, and a drop in steel production, about half of that. As we embrace September, and it's not quite a demand surge we were all crossing our fingers for, this has in some way restricted the rebound of steel prices. But hey, every cloud has a silver lining, right? The good news is that 5 top-tier products are showing their promising trend, which is helping to alleviate some supply pressures. So, what's next for the market? Currently, there is a noticeable trend where raw material prices are rising ahead of steel prices. Entering September, the steel demand hasn't been as bullish as some analysis has predicted. And the current market sentiment slightly subdued, with transaction performance leaning on the weaker side, which is hindering the steel market recovery. For the upcoming weeks, it's crucial to watch if there's a positive turnaround in steel demand and whether there will be a decline in multi-iron production. If the demand for steel improves and multi-iron production falls from its high level, there's potential for steel prices to rise. And speaking short term, we expect prices to strengthen slightly next week. Well, what is your anticipation for the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.